Mom, how convinced are you to refurnish your entire house?
I'm so excited.
Pooja will say this is not my first day at this job. Hi, what's up you guys? Welcome back to another episode of Hustle with Sarah, where you and I, we hustle together. Today we are headed out to IKEA. I don't know if y'all have been watching all of the Sarah Squad Studio making videos in order, but I did place an order on IKEA sometime back. I want to try to cancel it. Abhi tak I'm not sure if it has been cancelled. I've raised a request because that order was getting delivered on 4th of July. वैसे तो मेरा एक महीने का rent waste हो जाएगा अगर वो 4th of July को आएगा, which is why we are going there. Hopefully we'll get a chance to speak to customer service to cancel that order and then pick everything up in person. This is also the first time I'm visiting the Navi Mumbai IKEA, which I'm very excited for because from the time it's opened, I have just been waiting to get the house and go when I can actually buy furniture. So we have a full clan today that we are going with because last night we finished painting and of course you all are watching these vlogs. I don't know in what order, but yeah, you're all very tired, exhausted, which is why I'll do like full face of makeup. I've been looking very tired these days. Like look at my eyes, dude. I haven't slept in forever. Okay, like I mean I of course sleep, but it's not well rested sleep because every day there's some work which is so much more than the other day. Until college gets over and this house ka making gets over, it's going to be taxing, of course. I just hope you're enjoying the making and liking whatever you're seeing in the making of the Sarah Squad Studios. I just came over here with Fudju Baba to do my skincare because a lot of people are getting ready in the other room. I know my skin looks very tired. It is very tired because I haven't been sleeping well. There's a lot happening. Y'all can see it in all my vlogs. So much is going on simultaneously. My college ka last submissions, my graduation, and this house ka making, which of course is a whole tedious process altogether, plus trying to edit vlogs and everything. It's just crazy. Hopefully I'm hoping once college is over I can get good rest and my eyes don't look like this. Like somebody commented in my last video, Sarah, you look drunk, and I'm like, दिन दहाड़े कौन पीता है bro, मैं नहीं पीती. I'm not drunk, I'm just tired. That's why I sound sometimes slurred and I'm like okay. Anyway, I went ahead, washed my face with my Dermavive cleanser. I know it looks tired even then. No matter how good this cleanser is, it's not going to do the effect of giving me beauty sleep. Nothing does that apart from sleep itself. And next I'm going in with my Neutriderm Vitamin E Moisturising Lotion. I'm going to do full face makeup today because I've been waiting to go to IKEA since so long and I don't want to look like this while I go. So this moisturizer acts as a great makeup prep base, and yeah, I'm just gonna apply it nicely, massage it as well underneath my eyes because no matter what, I don't know if under eye creams work, but just moisturizing your under eyes helps to just uplift them and not give them any fine lines. That's how I feel. No matter how much I smile and try to pretend like I'm not tired, I still look tired. जैसे बोलते हैं ना, पानी का काम सिर्फ पानी करता है, तो नींद का काम सिर्फ नींद करती है. Next I'm going in with my Dermavive moisturizing lotion for my body. I'm going to use this on my arms. Not a lot of my arms are seen in this dress, but my elbows are definitely an area of concern, especially because I work out and like plank position, it gets dry, it gets hyperpigmented, so keeping them well moisturized helps, and this moisturizer is great for that. It's nice and lightweight, and I'm also going to apply it on my legs because I'm wearing a dress today. I'm hoping IKEA is open, although I saw the website and it says Mumbai Center is open 11 to 9 p.m. So I'm really hoping it actually is. How well Roshni did my hair. It looks so nice. Thank you, Roshni. And makeup just made my face look like it just gave me life. I was looking so dead. But let's go to IKEA. Yay! There it is, IKEA. This is what we've come for. How do you know it's great to see me? Have you ever seen me before? Oh my god, there is rush. There are a lot of people. Hey, the full parking lot is empty. I don't think there are many people. बहुत लंबी लाइन है यार चेकिंग के लिए. कितने सारे लोग हैं. Transfer. अरे उधर रखना, she'll pick it from your end. So whatever we are liking, we are taking a photo of.
This is nice,
The color
but
like it's 7,000. Do I need a shoe rack? Just keep it on the floor. My parents are obsessed with everything. I think my mom is already planning her refurnish. Mom, how convinced are you to refurnish your entire house?
I'm so excited.
You are not getting any chance to do that though.
Should I ask you? You are the earning daughter. You have to provide for me.
I am providing for you. Full house I bought just now. See curtains. I want blackout curtains. ये झूल रहा है।
हाँ वो 6000 का एक चेयर है।
6000 की कुर्सी के लिए बहुत झूल रहा है। You're just taking one table, right?
You need one for the studio, you said, and that's it, ना? So फिर for the studio, don't you think this is too tall?
You see, ergonomically is the table fine? No, it's too low.
You want this?
89.
नहीं, that is the पौधा inside. See that lamp?
We've come for a lunch break because we are hungry. What do you want to eat?
I don't know, what are you?
I think this spaghetti and meatballs is very good. I think in Dubai though I had that. These are both for my dish. Okay, one mango cheesecake and one regular cheesecake. Not just brownie, yeah, regular. What do you want? Make your choice. Veggies or...
I eat everything anyway.
Chicken is already there now. We'll take veggies. Give me one portion of veggies. So we are still left with the wardrobe section, the desk section. So a lot of what I actually need we've not seen. It's a very massive space. You'll keep walking and walking and walking, and then my mother got hungry and now she's diving into food. So
You're not hungry?
I'm also hungry. So we are all diving into food, and then we have a lot more shopping to do. So please don't feel sleepy. This is the disclaimer. Now in the wardrobe section. This would be like the dream room for a kid, you know. The bunk bed and the study table in each. It's all the wardrobe options. We've liked this one. So hopefully gonna narrow it down to this until we find something else better. हाँ यही है जो मैंने अपने कार्ट में ऐड की थी. This is a good option because 2 of this is more spacious than 1 of this. है ना? That's why I ordered. This is 8,000. This 2 will become 16. And this is 16 one. But white looks cleaner, na? This is bigger. What we've taken. That looks smaller. Pooja, what color do you want? Just rearranging from one trolley to the next, and then we have to go in the self-serve area to pick up everything that we took codes for. Our current situation, dude, my mother is so tired. It's 6 o'clock. Father is tired, but father has the spirit. Mother has no spirit. Let's go to the billing area. Come on, mama, keep up the spirit. I'll give you good food at night. Burger. You like burger? No? You want whiskey?
मुझे अपने घर जाना है.
This is the furniture market area. I'll take the trolley for this. Chalo, mama. You can do it. I'm proud of you. आज तुमने 12 घंटा शॉपिंग की. नहीं 12 नहीं हुए अभी तक. 12 घंटे करोगी. यही तो तुम्हारे ख्वाब दे देखो.
Stop it. Get some help.
Dude, there is an insane queue over here. Like पागलों जैसे लोग हैं आज इधर. Sunday is not the day for you for IKEA. Pooja is on her mission already. फटाफट वो लड़की काट लेगी और सब टेबल वेबल सब इकट्ठा करना है अभी. कौन से टेबल्स फाइनलाइज किए थे पता है ना? देखो अभी निकाल तेरा फोन जो कोड्स थे अपने पास.
This is the coffee table that
This
we
is the
decided.
finalized. What is the name? Falbo. हाँ bar trolley है. चलो bar trolley we are going for a black. We decided white.
जनता को आप मूर्ख समझना बंद कर दीजिए.
खींच. एक ही चाहिए ना ये वाला? ब्रो एक चीज ढूंढने में हमको कल होने वाली है सच्ची. हम दुकान बंद करके जाएंगे आज. हमने बराबर फोटो लिया था ऊपर जिसमें बराबर रैक नंबर और लोकेशन हमें पता था हमारे कॉफी टेबल का. पूरा खन खाली है उसका. एक कॉफी टेबल नहीं है. रैक 33 लोकेशन 14. दिस इज रैक 33 लोकेशन 14. कम ऑन पूजा. फुल होप्स के इधर मिलेगा. मिल गया है ना. कुछ तो है. ये सब का तुम लोगों को कितना लगता है कितना होने वाला है? वो 1 ये 2 3 4 मम्मी 2 लाख तो इतना आसानी से बोले तो शराब 1,60,000 और तुम्हारा जो है तुम खुद देने वाली हो।
इतनी बड़ी बड़ी बातें करो।
अगर 1 लाख के अंदर सब हो गया ना तो नथिंग। प्लीज यार, दिस इज नॉट
ये बोलने से थोड़ी हो जाएगा।
रीच द फाइनल डेस्टिनेशन एट द एंड फाइनली। 80,000 rupees later. It's banging good. मतलब this is my entire house setup alhamdulillah over here only. This is how we fit everything. हमारी डिक्की फुल है SUV की, हमारा ये फुल है। अब मैं आऊँगी और गोद में और सामान लूँगी। मम्मी भी फुल पैक है, लेग स्पेस, हैंड स्पेस। Thank you mama for being so malleable. Dude, my father's still putting things in the cart. बंद कर दे। फिर ये लास्ट डब्बा जो मेरे गोद में आएगा। Alrighty you guys, I just came home. It's been such a long and tedious day. Literally ऐसा लगा शटर खोल के शटर बंद करके आया IKEA पे। इतनी देर तक हमने शॉपिंग की, but it's been so super satisfying. Like everything that I got, I'm super impressed with. Like you saw the amount of stuff we got, right? I think for 85,000, it's been an amazing haul. Like we got everything right from furniture to home decor and everything that I needed. I don't even think I'll be able to cover all the hauls in one video, so I'll have to like divide it and see. Like इतना सामान है कि आ रहा है सामान, अभी तक सब आया भी नहीं है, थोड़ा मैंने ट्रांसपोर्टेशन में डाला है. I have like certain things and mistakes that I made that I want to tell you all that I hope you all will avoid when you all make your trip to IKEA, because मैं गलतियाँ तो इसलिए कर रही हूँ ताकि आप वो गलतियाँ mistakes repeat ना करो. Number 1, I feel like if you are shopping on IKEA with an agenda, make that agenda very clear, especially when looking through their catalog online. If you're looking at the catalog online, you will know what you're looking for, you will have a general idea. But while doing that, if you stay in Bombay or Hyderabad and you have access to the store, don't make the mistake of ordering it online without actually viewing it in person, especially for the first time. Today when I went, I bought everything that was not in my order. So whatever I was seeing from my online order, wasn't liking any of it. So that means in person it's actually thoda sa different. Even measurements sare online available nahi hai. And another thing is that their customer service online sucks, okay? I already raised a request for cancellation. Abhi tak wo request go through nahi hua hai. Number 2, don't make the mistake of going on a Sunday like I did. And if you're going on a Sunday, go very early in the morning. Now I don't have any other weekday off. I work Monday to Saturday at the hospital, so I cannot really go any other day apart from Sundays. It's open every single day 11 to 9 PM in Bombay. So if you're going, just make sure that you go on a weekday when other people are working, if you have the luxury of time. And if you don't, if you're going on a Sunday, go early in the morning. Number 3, go with people you trust who will walk with you for very long. Now my parents, of course, I trust because they walked with me. They got so tired in between, they had to take a break for lunch and then they just sat on one sofa, and then Pooja and I were doing the running. Roshni had to leave midway, but both Roshni and Pooja I trust really well, that I know they will walk, I know they will like give me right choices and opinions and everything, and we could pick up stuff fast. Like it was not like we were wasting too much time luxuriously in one room. We already had a clear picture in our head कि yeah, this we want, this we don't, this we want, this will look good, you know. We just kept on snap and taking down notes of whatever we wanted to pick up. That brings me to point number 4, that do not waste a lot of time on the top level, which is the area where the rooms are made. If you are with an agenda to shop like I had to furnish my entire home. I spent way too much time. We literally spent 5 hours just viewing the rooms and taking down like the photos of the names of the items to buy those items niche se. Whereas niche ki dukanon mein jahan par you know objects are there, you have one of those objects in display, so you know what you're supposed to get. Now from all the vlogs that I saw, I understood that upper rooms mein tumko note down karna hai tumko kya chahiye and niche aake tumko kharidna hai. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. मैंने जो भी नोट डाउन किया था ना, कुछ और ही ले आई मैं मार्केट प्लेस में से, because I could not find that exact same item. It's a massive massive store. Hello, there's so much like square feet that they've covered. It's insane. You can get lost inside. So don't do that mistake. Directly just have a look at the rooms if you want to tour around. Come down, do all the shopping in the marketplace area. You'll get everything that you want, you like. You'll find out the prices also, and accordingly जो जो चाहिए उसके डब्बे अपने कार्ट में डाल दो, बस खत्म. But the same rule does not apply to furniture shopping. Like if furniture pieces you're sure of, have a look at them in the room area, room setup. You can actually sit down, test them out, test the beds out, test the how the like the chest of drawers. I was seeing if it looks good in my YouTube backdrop and everything. वो सब अच्छे से तुम check कर लोगे ना, तो उस हिसाब से you just take a photo of that exact same item, and when you take a photo, just make sure वो नीचे एक red band जैसा होता है उसका भी तुम photo ले रहे हो, because that tells you which area it is in.
See, this photo you have to take with the full thing, like नीचे location होता है. Just if you're taking photos on top, remember of that.
Point number 4, I guess, and that is know which transportation method you're choosing. Like today we took my dad's SUV and went. Had I taken my i10, कुछ भी नहीं आता वो i10 में. तुमने देखा ना हमारी SUV कितनी full हो गई थी सब सामान से. The dicky, everything was full. So if you don't have your own car and you're Ubering it out, just know that you can book a transport service. I paid 999 to get like my wardrobe and 2-3 furniture items delivered. A lot of things in IKEA that you actually, oh, maybe I want this, because it's actually really affordable. Like even my mom was shopping, like she shopped so much for this house as well, because she was like, these are cheap prices, good quality stuff, and it's always good to amp up the space you live in. And number 6 is take your time, give the entire day to IKEA. Don't have any other plans that day. Like you saw, my entire day from morning to night just went in that. But you saw how I started my day. I was so dull and tired, and I was so puffy, but now I'm just like bright and sparkly, and I feel so good because yes, I spent money, but dude, this will make sure my house is set up, and Alhamdulillah, I'm very happy with every single piece I picked up. My vision is just coming to life, and that's a satisfying feeling. Can't wait for y'all to see everything. I really can't wait. I'm going to try to divide the home decor haul in at least 2 or 3 parts, and the furniture haul only once the assembly is done, because एक टुकड़ा थोड़ा निकाल के I'll show. अभी तो खर्चा और बढ़ेगा because I have to call the Urban Club people to assemble the furniture. As you saw, I went to a furniture market in Bhiwandi. Didn't work out so well for me, so you can see that vlog in case you haven't. It's linked here or here for you. But that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, then don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. If you're going to IKEA, if you've ever been to IKEA anywhere in the world, actually I had been to the Dubai one before, but I was very young, so I didn't remember much. But yeah, let me know in the comments how was your IKEA experience. For today's video, the Sarah Scott shout out goes to Dermavive. Thank you so much for watching and supporting my channel. If you want to be a part of next video Sarah Scott shout out, you know what to do. Hit that subscribe button, the bell icon right next to it, and also leave a comment down below saying hashtag Sarah Squad, and you get a chance to be a part of my next video Sarah Squad shout out. I will see you guys very soon in another video. Bye guys, love you. Mwah.